get them through the process. Again, we don't want to do the work for you. They're your client. You do everything. Get that pretty package, get it through, and then follow up every week, every 2 weeks. Say, hey, how's the deal going? How's the rehab project? Is it ready for sale yet? When's the next deal coming? Have you been writing offers?
Follow through. This is really important, okay? Because it's the follow through that's going to take this thing through the finish line. One of the things I see a lot of you brokers, this is a mistake I see a lot of you making, is that you will bring in a deal and expect Kogo Capital then to do the heavy lifting. Now, when we get the deal, obviously our loan analysts are going to review it, determine if it's even viable. If it's viable, it's going to go to a loan officer. Loan officer will review it. They will give you the pricing quote based on what we know. After repaired value, as is value, amount of rehab that's going to be needed, borrower's credit score, borrower's financial situation. And a loan officer within a matter of moments can get you guys an LOI, a letter of intent, and you'll know exactly how much money you can get, how much it's going to cost, how much down the borrower is going to need, if any. Unfortunately, unless you are a certified broker or a one of our master clients, you're going to have to put some money down when you get financing. But for those of you that know the Lee Arnold system of real estate investing, you guys can get 100% financing all day long if you structure the deal correctly. But unfortunately, many of you brokers, you'll bring the deal in and you'll turn them over to a loan analyst and then a loan officer, and you'll stop communicating with the customer, you'll stop communicating with the loan officer, and you're just expecting somebody else to come in and do all that heavy lifting and, get a phone call when it's check time. Now, we'll certainly do that because we are motivated to close loans, but I will tell you this, you guys, you have a much greater possibility of cashing a lot of checks if you will simply follow through with the client, which means you're going to work closely with the borrower, guiding them through the process. You're going to collect all the paperwork, not us, you. You're going to submit to Kogo Capital and work closely with the loan officer, following up on the process. You're going to get the package to closing. Then you're going to get paid your broker fee. Then you're going to rinse and repeat. Now, we are in a loan committee twice a week, right?
Yeah.
Tuesdays and Thursdays,
Yes.
We're in a loan committee. And inevitably, we're talking about an Al Watson file
Because it's outside the box.
because he's bringing in a lot of deals, and he works a lot with Robert, one of our loan officers.
Right.
And what impresses me about Al is he just turns in a complete package. Robert's not chasing him down, and Al, you forgot this, you forgot that. Whereas Al he's getting it done, right? He's bringing us a pretty package with a bow on top, and all we have to do is say yes or no. That's what we're looking for from more and more of you brokers. So if the goal here is to get paid more often, you guys have got to be more involved in the process. Do not set it and forget it. Follow through. Bring that client from beginning to close, and then 2 or 3 weeks later, call them back and say, hey, how's it going for you? Tell me about the next property we're going to fund. And don't give them an opportunity to choose if they're going to do business with you. No, just call them and get the next file.
Always assume the sale.
Always assume the sale.
There's a saying you always like to say, never leave your success
in the hands of others.
Yeah. And that's what I love, is the follow-up. So I always love to throw this out here is, the follow-up, the follow-through, right? After you rinse and repeat, it's the idea. A lot of you have been involved with the Lee Arnold system. Some of you are brand new, but you'll learn about the Rule of 56, the real estate side, right? So as you're talking to your clients, a lot of them, if they're brand new, they'll focus on that one deal because that's where they're going to make their money. But what's the highest and best use of their time? Well, what I'm going to teach you is to be able to sell and get that next deal and push and consult with them to go out there and write offers. You know what? Don't let this be a lot of people will do deals, get that thing sold, and then go find the next one. No, your highest best use of your time right now is to find the next deal. It's going to make you $30,000, $40,000. I got the money covered. You go find the next deal. Let your contractor worry about this house, and you go write offers. Well, I need a proof of funds letter. I've got that covered. I need money. I got that covered. Can I do more than one deal at a time? Yes, you can. But a lot of people, especially new investors, if you're brand new, you could do multiple deals. You don't have to wait for one deal to close. You get your profit check and then let's go and find another deal. consistency, momentum, especially in today's market. So that's something I like to teach and guide is, hey, how do we consult with our clients? Because they're your client. Get them through the process. Again, we don't want to do the work for you. They're your client. You do everything. Get that pretty package, get it through, and then follow up every week, every 2 weeks. Say, hey, how's the deal going? How's the rehab project? Is it ready for sale yet? When's the next deal coming? Have you been writing offers?